it is used to improve fertility and reproduction in man. Fertility means husuba. Reproduction wa injab. In man means in the rajul. Yustahdam li tahsin husuba wa injab in the rajul. Next one, it is used to increase sperm count, sperm motility and ejaculatory volume. Sperm motility means harakatul ayvanatul munawi. Harakatul ayvanatul munawi means sperm motility. Sperm count adadul ayvanatul munawi. Adadul ayvanatul munawi means sperm count. Wahajam kadaf, ejaculatory volume. Wahajam kadaf. Yustahdam liziyada. Hadadul hayvanatul munawi. Harakatul hayvanatul munawi. Wahajam kadaf. It is used to increase sperm count, sperm motility and ejaculatory volume. Second one is AMS sperm count max. It's a help to increase sperm count and its quality. AMS sperm count max. This capsule help to increase sperm count. يساعد هذا الكبسولات على زيادة عدد الحيوانات المنوي. This capsule help to increase sperm count. Sperm count means عدد الحيوانات المنوي. To increase means زيادة. يساعد هذا الكبسول means this capsule help على زيادة to increase عدد الحيوانات المنوي. Sperm count. Next one, improve semen quality. Yuhsin Jawdatul Sahilul Munawi. Jawdatul Sahilul Munawi means semen quality. Next one, promote male reproductive health. Yuhassis Sihatul Injabiyatul Ladhi Dhukur. Dhukur means male. Yuhassis means improve. Sihatul injabiya means reproductive health. Once again, this capsule help to increase sperm count. Yusahidu hadil capsulat ala ziyada adadul ayvanatul munawi. Adadul ayvanatul munawi means sperm count. Ziyada means increase. Next one, improve semen quality. Yuhassin Jawdatus Sahilul Munawi. Next one, promote male reproductive health. Yuhassis Sihatul Injabiyat Ladhi Dhukur. Sihatul Injabiyat means reproductive health. Ladhi Dhukur means in male. Next one is motility max AMS capsules. It is help to improve the motility of the sperm. These capsules are specially designed for man. Sommamat means designed. Hasisan means specially. Sommamat Hasisan specially designed. Lirajil for man. هذه الكبسولات صممت خصيصا للرجل. Next one, it is used in male who have low sperm motility by semen analysis. Semen analysis means tahleel sahilul munawi. Tahleel means test. Sahilul munawi. Semen analysis. Tahleel sahilul munawi. Semen analysis. يستخدم عند الرجل لديهم انحفاظ في حركة الحيوانات المنوي عن طريق تحليل ساحل المنوي. يستخدم means use in the رجل in male. لديهم means those who have. انحفاظ means less, low or less. في حركة الحيوانات المنوي means sperm motility. In حفاظ